Alright, Dean Davis, liveweatherblog.com, meteorologist here. Updated here on the potential for snow this weekend, and it's actually looking pretty good. In Delaware Valley, and north and west especially of Delaware Valley, looking at good snow possibly here. First significant snow north and west, and definitely on tree surfaces. The roads are going to be pretty warm, so I don't see it being a huge problem when it comes to that. When it comes to the snow on the roads. We'll take a look at the Weather Service snow forecast, and then I'll give my thoughts on it. I'm going to adjust it a little bit to my thinking. Because the National Weather Service here is calling trace to an inch for the snowfall at this point. I'm going to put it this way. I'm going to draw this line here on this part. It's going to be mainly rain event here up Atlantic City, Cape May County, into parts of Cumberland County. They're going to be an area of rain. A little further inland, this includes parts of Salem County and parts of Delaware. This is going to be like trace to an inch area, and pretty much an inch or two further to the west. This is the southern part, and there's potential near the Chesapeake Bay that it'll be mainly a trace of snow. So that's my thinking on the far southern part of this. And we're going to move up down the coast. Weather Service still pulling us, so they're tracing nothing here. I'm going to keep drawing this line up here. This is my rain area. This is where I think mainly rain, maybe some snowflakes and thin will occur. That causes Barnegat further up the coast. Okay, an inch to 2 inches is my call here for the area of Burlington County, Camden County, Gloucester County area, Philadelphia County. And then I want to draw quick. I'm going to draw along this 1 inch line. I'm going to say this area right here, right along the fall line, is going to be interesting. That's going to be, I think, a 2 to 4 inch snowfall. Along the fall line, that would be some of your northern and western suburbs here, Philadelphia, and also parts of Monmouth County, Middlesex County, Trenton area. 2 inches. I mean, it might go on the lower side, but that's just a call right now. Further north and west, I'm looking at a 3 to 5. It's going to be your 3 to 5 thing. It's going to be your pretty much one of your good areas here. That's farther northern Bucks, farther northern Montgomery, that area. A little further out, we're talking about 6 to 8 inches. I truly think we could see some 8-inch snowfall on a heavier burst, but closer to 6-inch snowfall, and that would include your parts further north and west. And up in the elevation. Elevation is going to be key here. The higher you are in the elevation, the more snow you're going to get. We're going to move further north. NYC. I'm still going to think it's mainly going to be a rain event here in New York City. It's going to be a pretty sharp cutoff where you get the inch to 2 inches here further in eastern New Jersey. Then we're going to have a pretty sharp cutoff here, really sharp cutoff actually, where we get the 3 to 6 inch snowfall here. And I said elevation is everything. Further out here, like I said, this whole area I'm going to highlight here, I'm thinking far northwest New Jersey, we're talking about 6 to, like I said, possibly 8 inches of snow. That will include Poconos, Allen County area. This is my target zone right now for the snow, and this is subject to change. It is Thursday evening for Saturday afternoon. But this is my first call. This is what I'm seeing, looking at the computer models, and I want to share it with you here. Okay, let's take a look at the pattern. Just look at the setup. Here's all your precipitation right here, starting off here. I'm starting in here in Louisiana, Alabama. This is a great area if you want to get some snow, because it will start off and move up the coast in this general direction. That's always a good thing when you get from the start there. So we're going to move this along hour-wise here. This now comes up to the parts of the Roanoke Valley. We're talking about some mixed precipitation in the farther, the Appalachians, and the higher elevations to Virginia and West Virginia. West Virginia might get heavy snow. And precipitation will start moving in at this point. And some precipitation from Rena may get up, into the area. We have to also watch out here. It's going to be the warm sector. Potential severe weather. This thing moves north and east. Here's where you get the cutoff. Where's that low going to position itself? Right off North Carolina. This is a good fetch for the winter. This is a pattern for what is coming for this winter. We're going to look at a lot of snow. And I'll get more, we'll get more into our predictions for the winter in the official live weather blogs. Winter outlook on November 15th. But here's an early season storm that's going to be a nor'easter. And here we go. Double barrel low off the coast. Northerly fetch. That would push colder air back in here and potentially get some, when it passes, give some snow to the areas that would be less likely to see it. Like I said, high pressure filter into that area. So we may see at least flurries in areas, and that would include possibly Rona, maybe some snow flurries. So you have to watch out for that. Something you have to watch out for. You see this thing that's wrapping up very nice, and then it projects itself further to the east, and we put that looping pattern, see how this all plays together. Just classic, like a winter nor'easter here. This is like perfect pattern for heavy snowfall. But like I said, my area is Poconos, in that area, elevation is everything. My elevation is everything. Here we go. At Mountain, Virginia. This is our elevation. In Roanoke County, we have that chance of snow rain mixture. Nothing major. Maybe a fading. When you get to the city, you can see it's all rain. That's what I'm talking about. It's all elevation based this time around. Like I said, liveweatherblog.com for all the latest weather information. We'll be keeping you updated. All our meteorologists here and our members. Great blogs I'm seeing so far, so we need to keep this going. And I'm enjoying every single one of them. So anyway, for now, this is Dean Davis, liveweatherblog.com. Hope you liked my first call, and we'll be updating you throughout the day and evening throughout the storm.